Okay, good morning children, 4th class children. Here this is summative assessment 2. So from first 3 lessons I have given for your summative assessment 2. So what is first section? First section is question answers, 6 question answers, each carry 5 marks. 6 5s are 30. What is the next bit? Fill in the blanks. 5 I have given, 5 ones are 5. Third one is what? Not the following. 5 ones are 5. Next is, what is the next one? Name the following. Okay? Then that is also 5 marks. The last bit, write whether the following statements true or false. That is also 5 marks. So coming to your question paper, children, you see this question paper pattern. Question paper, sorry, not pattern. What is the first one? Answer the following question. 6 5s are 30. I told no children. So 6 5s are 30. Answer the following question. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Second bit is fill in the blank. Third bit is not the following. Fourth bit is name the following. Fifth bit is true or false. That is also 5 marks. So answer the following questions. What is the shape of the earth? Next one. What are longitudes and latitudes? What is revolution? What is rotation? What is a leap year? Next one. How many days? How are days and nights caused? Sixth one. What is a grid? How is it useful to us? Next one, coming to section B. I told you that fill in the blanks will be coming under this one. Fill in the blanks, match the following, name the following. True or false will be coming under the section B. So what is the fill in the blanks? 5 ones are 5. Dash is the largest. What is the first one? Dash is the largest continent. Second one, the Amazon river is in dash. Third one, the Caspian Sea and the dash mountain separates Europe from Asia. Water covers dash % of the earth's surface. The dash is also called the Southern Ocean. Next, coming to the match the following, you see children. Rotation. Rotation is what? Causing day and night. Revolution is what? Causing the seasons. Leap year is what? How many days I told in the lesson? If February is, if we are having 29 days means that year is considered as leap year. That year it will be having the 366 days. Next, orbit. Orbit is what, children? Path of the earth. Axis is what? Imaginary line. Name the following. The largest continent, already this I have given in your classwork. The largest freshwater lake. The ice covered continent dash. The frozen ocean dash. The largest desert dash. Okay, next fourth bit is what? Write whether the following statements are true or false. This is for 5 marks. What is the first one? The earth is in spherical shape. Next one, the latitudes and longitudes are measured in meters. Third one, the equator divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere. The latitudes are parallel to one another. The longitudes are complete circles. So this is about your question paper, children. Okay, 4th class. Next, coming to the 5th class. 5th class children, listen here. Summative assessment. First 3 lessons only I have given from first 3 lessons. So what is the first pattern? First bit is question answer. 6 5s are 30. Next one, fill the blanks. 5 ones are 5. Third bit is what? Third bit is what, children? What are the following? What are the following? This is also for 5 marks. Okay, children. Next one, match the following. 5 marks. Okay, 5th class. Children, listen here. Answer the following questions. 6 5s are 30. Already I told. What are latitudes and longitudes? In your classwork I have given separately what is latitudes, what are latitudes and longitudes. These 2 questions I have combined and I have given children. What I have given? Combined and I have given. What is a globe? How is globe useful? Third one, what is a map? Which are the various types of maps? Why are various colors used on map? What do you mean by weather? Name the climatic zones of the earth. So this is the first section, children. Coming to the second section, that is the fill in the blanks. 5 ones are 5. What is the first one? What is the first one? Fill in the blanks. 5 ones are 5. Humidity is higher in places near the dash. Dash is the amount of water vapor in the air. Places close to the sea have dash climate. Bangalore is colder than Chennai because dash. The free zone consists of dash areas. Third bit, what are the following 5 marks? Means just like fill the blanks. Okay, the book of maps dash. The map which shows the population of a place dash. The direction of the top of a map dash. The direction in front when you face the sun in the morning. The area colored it deep brown dash. This is a fill in the blanks only. Already this is a class for everyone children. Please go through that. Coming to the last, what I told math the following 5 marks. Globe. Globe is what children? It is in a spherical shape. Bottom of the map is south. This symbol indicates for the church. Line scale is what shows the distance. North is means what? Between the north and the east. So children, this is a question paper. Please go through this and prepare well for your essay examination children. Okay children, thank you.